Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically um display like what songs you're listening to on Spotify, like on your Discord activity status. Go to user settings and go to connections and then select Spotify and basically link like your Spotify account to Discord. I've already have my Spotify account logged in on my on the browser, so make sure you do that first. Go back to Discord and make sure you select display on profile and also display Spotify as your status. You don't have to display your profile on status, but make sure you have the second one enabled, so whenever you listen to a song and you're like online, I'm like offline right now, but once you're online and you listen to a song, it will be like displayed the songs that you're listening to here. And that is basically it. It is super simple, but I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!